We are heading back home so that we can attend Nature Dog Realms live stream at 1:30 her time, 3:30 my time. Be there or be square. All right, I'm showing my age. It is my happy place. It is. Yes, it is. Hi, Anthony. She sells seashells by the seashore. Yes, indeed. Ciao, my fellow Italian-blooded friend Daisy May. Enjoy the beach. Hey, Anthony, thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping in, saying hello. Hit the like button. Stay if you can stay, and if you can't, thanks so much for stopping in. We're on our way back. We're going, walking back the beach until the entrance, and then we're going home. I'm enjoying the time while my husband is off of work, being at the beach, because I normally can't come down here very often. So I'm sorry if you guys are getting sick of the beach. I know some people love it as much as I do. Oh my goodness, look at this doggy. Dog's going swimming.